बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतु अयामहे भागवत स्वरूपम् अङ्गस्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दीकृतेन्दीवरम् जाड्यं जागुडरुचिषां विदधतं कटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् रामाभिरामोदरम् राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेम दामोदरम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलङ्गो कुले भ्राजमानं यशोदाभियोलुखालां धावमानं परामृष्टमर्चा ततो धृतगोप्या नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले यजमानम् रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं मृजन्तं कराम्बुजयुग्मेन शातन्तनेत्रम् मुहुश्वासकम्पत्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं चित्तग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिवधम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्तिवन्दे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरिषदपीह इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनसा विरास्तं किमन्ये नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् विदन्ते मुखाम्भोज अत्यन्त नीले घृतं कुन्तले स्निग्ध रक्तिश्च गोप्या विदन्ते मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमो देव दामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःख जलाधिमग्नम् कृपा दृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानो गृहाणि समामज्ञमेध्य कीदृश नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् वीरात्मजौ बद्धमूर्ति भजद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च तथापि मम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रदत्त न मुखे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु दाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया करो राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया करो राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि. The first of all, I offer my innumerable Sastanga Dandavat Pranam to Sri Guru Pada Padma Nityalap Vishnu Pada Sri Bhakti Purusha Maharaj, Nityalap Sri Bhakti Jivanadana Sri Maharaj, Nityalap Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Nath Parsada Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Guru Prabhupada, all our Guru Vargas, Nityalila Prishta Bhakti Vigyan Bharti Sri Maharaj, who are present Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis and who are participating in our online program. I respect to all. This is our good time in this Corona virus time. We are together in online. Otherwise, we can't get all this time to have a regular program. From Purushottama month, we continue Uddhava Sandesh. We started from Srimad Bhagavatam. We are all heard about how Krishna sent to Uddhava, and after Uddhava came, how he discussed with Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda mother, then started to discuss with the gopis, and gradually they expressed their separation mood, and later on Krishna sent his letters, 10 verses there, 9 verses. After hear this, they relieved from their separation fire from inside, and they respect to Uddhav, and they love to Uddhav. They understood Uddhava is very dearest, and he knows all their pastimes. So they open their heart and they discussed about Krishna's pastimes, all with friends, with parents, with girlfriends, like our conjugal law. All they disclosed and shared each other. And Uddhava forget Krishna. He never stay without Krishna. He expressed in Bhagavatam from childhood, even when he was playing, he was doing worshipping to Krishna to his deities in a different his incarnation. Sometimes he forget to take breakfast. If mother called, he did not even go to take his food. He was so absorbed with Krishna's service. He himself told to Vidura in Srimad Bhagavatam 3rd canto, this is explained there. Now, after he came to Vrindavan, when he met with his all internal, all the devotees, and how Krishna's sweet pastimes he was performing there, and after hearing this katha is like intoxication, like drugs. Who Radharani told in Brahmara Gita, we have discussed. He told Jadanu Charita Leela Karna Piyusa Viprut Sakru Dadana Viduta Dvanda Dharma Vinastaha Sapadi Gruha Kutumbam Dinam Utsurja Dinaha Bahavaiha Vihanga Bhikkhucharyang Charanti. By the mood of this love, anger, Radharani told one verse. We discussed before, just I remind again, remember this. He told, we don't want to think about this black man. We know he is never, he is honest, he is never, he has no love, he is just pretending, cheating, talking nicely. Even Goddess Lakshmi, she is also so high position. All demigods, they worshipping her, but also she bewildered by her talking. This his words, crooked words. So he is expert how to convince to others. So we don't want to him anymore. So I don't want to hearing about anything. But the problem is we cannot give up his leela, his pastimes, his katha. His katha who heard 2 words in his ear, enter to his heart inside, then whole life, what he accumulated for his future, he organized with all his family, marriage, wife, children, house, all wealth, relatives, everything. When he heard from someone, like his devotees, they speak, oh, this is Maya, everything is like dream, is nothing true. And Krishna is the absolute truth. When he hears someone, either husband here, so he can give up his wife and his children. If wife here, she also leave her house and husband, father and mother. So this katha, his katha is so powerful, like powerful drugs. They give up everything, they become like a beggar, and they go to take somewhere, anywhere, some food or something, they can live like some bird. Birds are leaving one branch to another branch, one tree to another tree, how they are moving. Such katha make them like that. We saw many examples, even liberated souls like Narada, Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanata Kumar, Anatana. Many sages many emperors, they also become like this. They cannot give up this katha. So what about us? Very difficult to give up his katha. This is the power of Hari Katha. For devotees, also for God, Krishna. He also told this. I can't stay in my place in Vaikuntha, in a spiritual planet. Nahang tishtami Vaikunthe yoginang hrudaye nacha. And yogis, they meditate me, and in their hearts, they want to keep me there meditated constantly. I can't stay there also. For my devotees, where they are discussing me and singing about me, glory, I must be there. To this katha, the power of this katha, keep devotees and keep Krishna together with this prem, the love. Must sure pure devotees who have no other desires. Only who wants to Krishna, to serve to Krishna, to love to Krishna. And Krishna by his own character, he also the person, form of love. This pure love. No other any desires of material desires, any position, any wealth, anything, no liberation, no any heavenly planet. Uttama bhakti. Anyabhilasita sunyam jnana karmadi anavrutam anukulyena krishnanushlanam bhakti ruttama. So for them, this katha create this prem, symptoms of ecstatic love come. The heart, the soul melt with this katha. This is katha is Shabda Brahma with Krishna. So Krishna also becomes same, devotees also become same. And this katha attracted to Krishna. Krishna came by katha's power. When pure devotees with they discuss, Krishna come and sit their heart and hear this. He told this. He come immediate when it started, and immediate go to him because he is super soul. Immediately connected to him. Now we are talking, we connected the whole world now with this Zoom application, Facebook application. Everyone hearing there. So this is when with our heart, when we connected to him, then immediate he also observed, he forget everything. And he hear this with heart. If pure devotees, when they chant, when they sing, they discuss, this is who are hearing, who are speaking, and who are asking, all purify their heart, purify their consciousness, and create this symptom of love, pure love, prem, ecstasy. This is the power of a katha. So Uddhava forget also to Krishna. And every day they are going one place to another place, one place to another place. Every trees, every caves, kunjas, every Yamuna, and every ghat. And then they went to Govardhan, every caves, and Manas Sarovar, Govinda Kunda, Uddhava Kunda, many, all they are there, many ponds, how they were playing. So every place he was going there, then they go with him, They together there. They took also prasadam there. They make feast. All gopis, they cooked for, before they are cooking for Krishna. Now they are also giving, bringing for Uddhav. So Uddhav also taking their prasadam. How much he can take, he also enjoy with Harikatha and prasadam. Then enjoying with all the parikrama doing Vrindavan. So here we were discussing, now we discussed this Yugala Gita. Yesterday we completed this. Only few 26 verses there. How gopis passed their time, daytime, when Krishna went to forest. When he had been going to forest, then gopis, they are sitting in the house and they discussed how they have experienced. Now we will discuss a little about Govinda Damodara Madhava, this prayer. This is 71 verses, and we decided we are singing every day 2 verses. But there are many sweet pastimes there. So if we little hear, then it will be more tasty, more relishable, because if we know the meaning, then our intelligence and mind go to deep to bring the bhava will come. Therefore, I decided we can discuss little these verses. Actually, this verse Govinda Damodara Madhava is written in Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam 10th canto, 39 chapter, 31 verse. When Krishna went to, he was going to Mathura, when Akrura came, and when Krishna was leaving from Vrindavan, they cannot tolerate. They did not want Krishna to go to Mathura. And all gopis, who are all his friends, they give up everything. They give up their all restriction. They told we should go, we should stop to Akrura's chariot. We will not allow to go to Krishna from our Braja. So in this way, they all came, they caught this chariot, the Krishna is sitting on the chariot, they don't allow to go. What they will do, Kansa they can do, but we never allow our eyes, who is our vision of our eyes. Krishna Kamala Lochana. We will not allow it to go there. So they give up their all social, how to respect, maintaining their principles, rules of a family, the elders there, old there, their family there, but they don't want anything else, and they come together. But anyway, Krishna told, don't worry, I am going for 4 days. One day I am going. There is festival and the king invited us to go, so we should go there. I will come. I am going one day, and the next day we will see the festival, and we see there. Then next day we will return again. So he convinced this way them. Still they can't tolerate their Krishna is leaving to Mathura. Then by last moment when the chariot left, then they Evam Bruvanang Virahatura Bhrusang Evam Bruvanam. In this way they were discussing how we can live without Krishna. And he is our life, he is our soul, he is our eyes, he is our mind, he is our everything. So by separation, when he was leaving Viraha Atura with great anxious, with the separation, Brajastriyaha Krishna Vishakta Manasaha. They are so attached with Krishna. Just they are occurs pulling their heart, the soul, just like death time, Yamaraj pulling to the soul from the heart, body. Same, they were feeling that Krishna is leaving, they have lost their life. They stop their breathing, they stop their pulse, they become like motionless, fainted there. In this condition, but Akrura started the chariot to take. Then they, after left, they started to cry for Krishna. Visrijjalajjang ruruduh suswaram Govinda damo dharamadhaveti. Visrijjalajjang. They give up their shame, their shyness, and they started just like child, baby, how they cry, they started to shame way, they started to cry, suswaram, all together with their sweet voice, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Oh Govinda, how you can leave, you saved from us to Indra. Oh Madhava, you are playing with us. All this, we gave up our life and we were in Ras Lila or do all this Damodara. You are Damodara, you, by your mother, you are cut off by this rope in the different way. Govinda Damodara Madhava iti evam vidha prakarana. Thus like they cry and chant this. This actually 10th canto, 39th chapter, 31 verse. And this mood of their separation, their voice came, this shoko, the pain come out with this voice, Govinda Damodara. The same, the feelings. Srila Bilwamangala Thakur, he has taken this mood, how gopis, they are chanting, calling, enjoying with Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. This is everyone. And he composed this verse. All devotees and many rishis sages how they chant his name in Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. This is as taken by this. So already we chanted few verses. but we go to first beginning to discuss this meaning. So we can finish within our this class complete before I go to Vrindavan in 23, 22. We will finish this. So we discuss the one verse. Who has this book, this Govinda Damodara Madhava book? You can see there. So we can discuss little. There are unlimited pastimes there. We discuss. This is very sweet and full of ecstasy. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, when he traveled to South India and near this Karnataka now, like Bangalore there is Krishna, Tungabhadra river there. From there, he brought this book in palm leaf. He wrote this Brahma Samhita and Krishna Karnamrita. These two books himself he wrote and he brought this. In the Brahma Samhita we know Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Everyone know they are singing, and very beautiful Siddhanta there, how he is all the created by his energy. And this Krishna Karnamrita, there are many other verses there. This is particular Govinda Damodara Madhava Stutra, they say this. So first he chanted this first verse. Sri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaita Bhare Bhakta Nukampin Bhagavan Murare. Sri Krishna Vishnu Praya Somanke Savalokanath Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Sri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaita Bhare. First he offered this. Hey, O Krishna, O Vishnu, O Madhu Kaitava. Madhu and Kaitava, there are two brothers, two demons. First, when the creation come, these two demons, they created from Brahma, and they want to destroy all this. So Lord, he killed them, and by the Medini, by Madhu, this demon, he killed and he put in the water, and this Medini means the earth grow with this his body. Rajini Puran history there. Also Pura, this earth, world's one name is Medini. Medini means the Madhu, demons, this body is, he put here, and then they started to created this, the earth. So therefore, he Madhu Kaitava Ari, and another is Kaitava. Also he killed two Kaitava, Madhu and Kaitava, both two brothers. Therefore his name is Madhu Kaitavare, and another name is Madhusudana. who killed two Madhu demon. So his name is Madhusudan. So, O Madhu Kaitavari, Bhaktanukampini Bhagavan Murari, O Bhagavan, O Lord, you are all blessed, merciful to your devotees. So I am your devotee, I surrender to you, and you always anukampani, you are always merciful to us. O Murari, he also killed one demon, Murasura, name is Mura. Though his name is Murari. So here he called you Krishna, Vishnu, Madhu Kaitava, and Hari, Bhaktanukam Bhagavan Murari, Traya Samang Kesava Lokanatha. O Kesava, O Lokanatha, Lokanatha, who is the creator of all these lokas. Loka means heavenly planet, this earth planet, and downwards all planets. Every living being who is Natha, Natha means who is Lord, who is Super Soul, and he is Ishvara. He knows everything. In Bhagavad Gita he told, Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charuna. I know your present, past, and future. You don't understand me, but I know everyone. What we are doing now, he knows everything. He is there, but he knows everything what we are doing here. This is his power, Supreme Lord. So, Lokanatha, his name is Lokanatha, Jagannatha, Vishwanatha, his many names there. O Lokanatha, the Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. O Govinda, O Damodara, O Madhava, please Traya Soma, relieve me from this material world. I am suffering by the birth and death, three types of miseries, and old age, disease, fear, always this mood of three gunas, always I am suffering here in this body, in this planet. Please take me, merciful to me, take me from here. This is the first verse of this Govinda Damodara Madhava. Then second verse told, Govinda Govinda Hare Murare, Govinda Govinda Mukunda Krishna. Govinda Govinda Rathanga Pani, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Here, this verse is very simple. O Govinda, O Govinda. Govinda means many meanings there. Govinda means, Go means the earth. So, who is protecting, maintaining the earth, the creation? He is Govinda. Also, Go means senses, who are maintaining our senses. He is Govinda. And Go means cows, who is protecting cows. His name is also Govinda. After Govardhana Leela, then Indra came and he begged pardon from his offense. He also called to the Abhishek, he told, you are Govinda. So he is Govinda's many names there. Hari, you are Hari, you are take all sinful sins and you are taking all karma. So therefore you are Hari. Many different meanings there. according conjugal love, you are taking mind from your devotees or your lovers. You also you have taken the cloths of gopis. This is also Hari. Many meanings there. Hari, Murare, you killed the demon Murari. Govinda, Mukunda, Krishna, you are giving Mukunda, giving liberation and the transcendental bliss. Therefore, your name is Mukunda. Mukti Anandam Dadati iti Mukunda. Oh, Krishna. Krishna means you are attractive. Akarsati, you attracted to every soul by your beauty, by your pastimes, everything. Govinda, Rathanga Prana, oh Govinda. You have Rathanga Pani here. Rathanga Pani means chakra. You have Sudarsana chakra. So you are controlling everything. Your chakra is also Kala chakra. Kala time, the eternal time. So you are maintaining, controlling whole the universe. So you are Rathanga Pani. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Your, O Govinda, you Damodara, O Madhava, please relieve me, please give me your shelter. This is another verse. So we will continue discussing from tomorrow. So everyone should keep this Govinda Damodar from internet. You can download. This is available in English and I think Spanish also, in Italian, everywhere it is available. And we will discuss more from tomorrow. Already time. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bo. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe Radhe Radha Damodara Govinda Radhe Radhe Radha Madhava Govinda Radhe Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। जय श्री गुरु गौरांग की हरि गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। बलदेव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जी की जय। राधा दामोदर जी की जय। विष्णु पाद स्तोत्र प्रेषण महाराज की जय। अनंत कुली वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। जय हो। जय साधु महाराज की जय हो।
Jai Puerto Rico Bactas! Jai Puerto Rico Bactas!
धन्यवाद।